Cyberbullying is any kind of online behavior that makes people feel sad, scared, angry, or upset. When someone uses technology to harass, threaten, embarrass, or target another person, they are cyberbullying. It could be in a text, email, message, or in a post online. This online cruelty occurs among young people, and the feeling of being anonymous in this online environment can encourage a kid who normally wouldn't say anything mean face-to-face to act unethically online. Though spreading rumors and bullying is nothing new, cyberbullying reaches a wider audience and can spread more quickly. Therefore, malicious actions online can magnify the hurt, humiliation, and all-around drama in a very public way. In addition, this online platform allows bullying to happen essentially 24 hours a day, making it seem like there is no escape. The effects of cyberbullying can be devastating for everyone involved. Severe, long-term, or frequent cyberbullying can leave both victims and bullies at a greater risk for anxiety, depression, or other stress-related disorders, and even suicide. As a result of cruel cyberbullying incidents, some students have taken their own lives. In response, foundations are sometimes created to address and prevent cyberbullying globally. When adults in a community respond quickly and consistently to bullying behavior, they send the message that it is not acceptable. We can help prevent cyberbullying by joining together as a community and communicating the risks of bullying to students in order to build a safe school environment.